So guys, I got called out for this 2003 Subaru WRX, and I hooked the scan tool up and I couldn't see the mass airflow sensor change, and this is what it does every time. So when you turn the key on, it starts and then dies every time. And I'll show you what I found. Here we go.
They always have someone have
so guys, look, there's a piece of paper in the mass airflow sensor.
Light would still come on.
You see it right there? I'm going to pull it out. So guys, we got it cleaned out. It was actually a spider nest that was in there, so I'm going to put this back in. I told him to clean this because it got all this oil on the sides of these, and we'll see if it starts up. Okay guys, so it's clean. Let's see if it starts. Look at that. And we're showing around 4 grams a second, so I'm going to let it sit here and run. But I think that was our whole issue. And they thought it was like a PCM and all kinds of stuff. They said they tried a mass airflow sensor, but I don't know, because it definitely had like a spider web in it, and it starts now. So I'm going to let this run for a little bit, and then we'll check it out. So guys, look at this, he's coming back. It's still running. Hope you guys like it. See you later.